Hello everyone. So once again welcome in my channel 0 Point. So today we are going to start a new series uh, AI chat app with Gemini iOS. So you can I think easily understand by seeing my slide. We are going to develop a AI chat app in which we will consume the Gemini REST APIs, and by using that we will try to create a one iOS application that is quite similar to the ChatGPT kind of. Okay, so before starting developing this application, so firstly we will go through what is the generative AI. So nowadays definitely you are hearing this word so many times, what is the generative AI. So generative AI basically means AI now can create a new content, also can generate a text, image, code, and basically what is internally happen for the AI. We generally provide a large amount of data on that, the our AI model trained on that, and then after when I ask anything from the AI agent, so it's respond like a human, means they will provide a better result for our queries. Okay, so that is the AI. In other word, you can say that generative AI is type of a artificial intelligence that can create a new content instead of just analyzing or classifying your data. So generative AI means can write, speak, or can create the content like a human. So nowadays generative AI is so much popular, and I think everybody need to be aware about the latest AI technologies. Okay, so let's take a one real time example to understand the generative AI in a better way. For example, you have searched in the chat GPT like how to fix my phone battery. So that is a normal query means, but internally the searching is not happen like a normal search. Like you do the same thing search over the Google, so the result will be different in comparison to the AI. So, because what is the main difference? Main difference is that if you are searching over the Google or in your Notepad document, so you are searching like a word in a dictionary. So that is the normal search. But in the generative AI, the searching is a little bit different. Means in the generative AI, we are means internally we are performing the semantic search. Semantic means over the screen you can see that uh, phone we have searched how to fix my phone battery. So from our search query, phone keyword is internally converted to the smartphone, and fix is internally converted to the improved battery life. So actually, when the result is comes from the Chat GPT or any AI agent, will that means that will be based on tips to improve smartphone battery life. Means they internally modifying your query, and in your search query they are just picking some keyword, and on that basis they are analyzing internally, and then after they are providing you a better result. So that is the main functionality of the AI. So means keyword search is like a matching word in a dictionary. Means suppose you are searching the phone, means phone in the Oxford dictionary. So that is the normal searching. But semantic search is like that you are asking something with your colleague or with your friend in office, and then your friend or colleague helping you on the particular query. Means they are analyzing your query, and then after they will suggest some solution to your query, means your problem, and then they try to resolve your problem. So in the normal human nature, that in the first go you are not you will not get means the best solution for your problem. So similar kind of when we talk means interact with the chat gpt, the same thing happen in that also, because when I search or do any means pass any prompt in the chat gpt or any with any ai agent, so in the first go I mostly time I didn't get means the proper solution. Then after I need to means improve my prompt. So that is the basically the prompt engineering. And my means in the coming video I will also post one video means how you can improve the your prompt means we will discuss the prompt engineering as well. Means I have a means some suggestion, and by implementing that suggestion, your means interaction with the AI agent will be a better, and you can easily identify the result differences with the normal prompt and with the improved prompt. Okay, so first question means this question definitely you are coming in your mind. I am means lot of time means repeating the chat gpt word, but why I am using the google gemini in my demo or in this series. Basically I have do some r&d on the chat gpt. So basically right now chat gpt openai not providing the free rest apis, so we have to make some payment for that. But I have find out Google Gemini is still providing a means limited uses freely, which we can use and create the demo project, or we can learn how to interact with the AI tool. Okay, so that are means few reason why I use the Google Gemini in this demo. First thing, it is free and easy to get started, because mostly user are more familiar with the Google because they are using the Google from a long. So definitely it is easier to understand. Then after the response they are providing in a simple JSON form. So JSON parsing is very easy, and their response is very fast and reliable response. And also definitely they are back by the google ai ecosystem, so they are means providing a best solution and perfect. These are also perfect for your demo and learning project. If you are creating any demo or you are doing any means preparing for any presentation related project, then I will recommend uh, you can go with the google gemini. And one more thing, google means providing a lot of courses and the free badges you can easily get, means by creating the ai tool. And for that you don't need to do any coding. By using their portal and drag and drop and do some perform some operation, you can easily get their certificate as well. So if you want to know how you can get the free certificate from the google, then you can ask in the comment, then I will provide the further information to you. Okay, so now we will discuss our the iOS chat app overview. Means the application we are going to develop with the help of the Gemini, and we will consume the Gemini APIs in this application. So this is the first video. In the second video, we will do the live coding and interact the Gemini web services in our application. And we will create a one application same similar like a whatsapp or the chat gpt. Means their ui is similar like a whatsapp or chat gpt. Okay, means you can means search out anything in the text field, and on basis of your search ai agent will provide you a solution. And if you watch my previous series, so we mainly focus on the solid principle and the architecture. So definitely with this demo also we will align our guideline. We will follow the clean coding guideline, and we build up this demo application with the SwiftUI, means we will use a pure SwiftUI, no UI kit, and we will implement the MVVM architecture, and we will use Google Gemini REST API. Okay, so these are the flow diagram of our application architecture. So basically from the diagram you can, I think, get some idea. Let's discuss. Means in our application there will be a single screen in which at the bottom we have a text field in which user can type their search query, and when the users type their search query then they click on the send button. Then after user interact with the SwiftUI view, and SwiftUI view just pass their interaction to the view model, and view model then will communicate with the network layer, means the Gemini services or the API layer. Then Google Gemini API will provide the AI response, and the AI response definitely we will receive in the view model, because we are making our network call from the view model. And then after we easily published or notify our UI with the response, and then after definitely our chat window is automatically updated, and we can easily view the response of the AI agent. Okay, so we will follow the clean coding, means where we use the UI component, then definitely there will be no business logic in that. In view model, we will have only the business logic, the communication with the network layer, and all the business logic, state, all these things we will implement in the view model. And Gemini services are the API call. We will implement this by using the URL session, and the definitely we will implement this with a proper abstraction and the uh, protocol oriented approach. So means if it is required to write the unit test cases, so we can easily write in that. Okay, so now means this is the first step to create the this AI chat application. Firstly, we need to register our project on the Google AI Studio, and then after we need to create a API key, because for the every request we need to pass the API key in our request, and then only we can get the response from the Gemini, and then after we can showcase that response in uh, over the chat screen. Okay, so there is one guideline which I have written here: never expose keys in your production app. Means this is the demo app, so for the simplicity purpose I will write the key as a constant in this application, but in the production app don't do this. I will create a separate video in which I will showcase what is the means best way to write the means writing of the API's key in the application, so it will be secure. Means we will use a proper encryption, we will use a proper class, means we will use the configuration class for managing the keys. Okay, so these are the PPT kind of thing. Now I will showcase how you can generate the Gemini API key, means the setup part, how you can perform that. Okay. Okay, so this is the Google, means I am starting each and everything from the starting. So here you just need to write the Google Gemini API key. So it will show the one solution, means the first result is that Google AI Studio. Just open it. Okay, now you will get a button get started at the top. Just click on that. So I have already logged in with my app, means Google account, and you need to log in with your account. Okay, once you log in with your account, then you will see this dashboard. This is the Google AI Studio and this is the dashboard. Just click on the dashboard. So on the dashboard, you can create a project. Okay, and then after you will be able to create a API in respect to your project. Okay, so we will go in the project. Okay, so in the project section, just go in the project section. Here you can create a new project for your application. For example, we are making a Google AI app. This is the name of our project. For example, I have created this. Okay, so project is created Google AI app. Okay, so these are the detail. So we don't need to remember these detail. I will come on that. Then after we can create a we need to go in the API key section, and we need to create a API key. So here there is a drop down in which we need to select our application, means project. So we have created a Google API app. So I have selected that project, and then after I can create a API key in respect to our project. Okay, Google API app key. So I have created this key. Okay, so the API key is created. Google, these are the key. Okay, so there is a option copy API key. So from here you can copy your API key. Then after for using this API key in your project, firstly we need to verify that the key is working properly or not. Means, so the best way to check the REST API without any developing application, use of the Postman. So Postman is the free of cost application. You can just search Postman on the Google and install in your on your Mac system. And then after you need means we need to call a post type of REST API. So post type of REST API. So these are two endpoint which we are going to use. The first endpoint basically is providing us the model, means what type of the model is available for us. Okay, I have just update the key and I have sent. Okay, okay. So here you can see we are getting the response, because in the body na I have just passed the prompt hello Gemini, and in the response I have get hello, how can I help you. So you can see that the API is working properly. But in your case maybe the API is not work, because I have also faced one error related to the Gemini model, because right now I am using a Gemini 2.5 flash. Okay, so for the free account, not all model are available, because mostly Gemini model are paid. So for means for getting the working model, either you can use this one, uh, the Gemini 2.5 flash, or there is another way. This is the another endpoint, the beta model, and you just need to hit this, and then after in the response you will get those model information which you can use freely. Like in the response you can see I have received this model name Gemini 2.5 flash. So we can use this model without any issue. Gemini 2.5 pro, this also we can use, means there are a list. This is the array of the multiple type of model that are means uh, freely available for me on my account. Definitely there is a some limitation of the usage, but this model we can use in our application for the demo purpose. Okay, so means whatever API key we have generated, by using that API key we can use this model to get the proper response. Okay, So one more thing I just want to means when you call your API, so you need to set means for calling the API in the Postman, just copy and paste this URL. I will means provide these endpoint in the description as well, so it will be easy for you. You can just copy and use your API key and just hit and get the means the proper response. Okay, so for calling this API you need to firstly set the header, means the content type, proper content type. I have set the content type application JSON, and in the body, means in the body we need to send the row JSON. So I have sending the row JSON. This is the format, means this is the right format which if you follow this format, then definitely your API will work properly and you will get the proper response. Okay, so these are the means two API in the application we use this, and the second API is only to know which model is allowed to free to use with my API key. Okay, so firstly call this, and means you will get the proper understand means information about your model, and then after you can use any model in your API, and then you will get the proper response. Okay, so I think now you get the proper understanding this. Okay, now I am going to showcase the application, means after this is the our application, means when we complete our application then it will look like this. So in this video I am showing that what we are going to build up, means when we complete the application then how it will work. So you can see here, so this is the means simple UI. The AI chat is the application name. It is right now the screen is blank. We have only one text field. Ask anything is the placeholder, and only this is the send button. Okay, so let me type something here. I have means type hi, send. So I have asked the Gemini hi. This is the Gemini reply. Hi there. How can I help you today? Okay. What is iPhone? Okay. I have asked this question. Let's see what is the response. So you can see we are getting a response from proper response. An iPhone is a line of the smartphone designed and marked by the Apple. Definitely right. It is essentially a small computer. This. Okay. We what is async await. Okay, so we can means when you search na in 20 words, so we have also means give the restrictions. We have required the response only in 20 words, so you can see that their response is only come in the 20 words. So you can see that how easy to interact with the Google Gemini and create a iOS application. So in the next video we will develop this application from the scratch, means in the Xcode we will create a new project, and then after we will follow each means step by step everything, and we will follow the clean coding, and then after we will complete this application. Okay, so for now this is the first video in the AI iOS series. So if you have any suggestion, so you can just comment. I will means I would like to means read your comments, and definitely if any suggestion works then definitely I will include in that. Okay, so thank you everyone.